The Urban Development Corporation, in association with the Jamaica Information Service, presents Urban Scope.
1962 marked the beginning of a proud and free era of independence for Jamaica. This tiny yet Talawan nation was now free to create its own destiny. 6 years later, the Urban Development Corporation was created to make development happen when and where it's needed within the context of national priorities. One such area was the Kingston waterfront from Bank of Jamaica to the east to the Kingston Craft Market in the west. A post-independent Jamaica and by extension Kingston was by no means fully developed, and so by walking the streets of the capital city, one would see and learn much about Jamaica, its history and culture. Downtown Kingston in particular tells that story very well, having given birth to rocksteady and reggae music. With many of the island's most historic buildings and monuments lining the streets, downtown Kingston is also a bustling business district with busy roadways and crowded sidewalks. This rich history is one such impetus for the Urban Development Corporation (UDC), which has been spearheading the development of downtown Kingston. Partnering with both local and international organizations, plans are underway towards championing the transformation of downtown Kingston and to revitalize the area while paying homage to the UNESCO designation of Kingston as a creative music city. In 1995, the UDC was entrusted with its tax incentive program, and that pulled investments in the downtown Kingston area. A major investor is the multinational corporation Digicel, which constructed its global headquarters on prime waterfront property sold by the UDC. Other developments that have gained traction include the construction of Grace Kennedy's multi-story complex on Port Royal Street, made possible on lands sold to them by the UDC. Grace also renovated a building on Harbour Street for use as its financial center. And nearby, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade is finalizing plans for the construction of its headquarters on property along the Kingston waterfront, close to the Jamaica Stock Exchange, on lands made available by the UDC. The redevelopment of downtown is being guided by the UDC's Downtown Kingston and Port Royal Redevelopment Plan 2030. It's being implemented on a phase-by-phase basis and is aligned with the Vision 2030 Jamaica National Development Plan. This redevelopment plan is giving energy to an updated development order for Kingston as well as guidelines for land use and zoning. Aspects of the UDC plan already in motion include the construction of a bus park, one component of a multimodal transport center for the city. There's also the upgraded St. William Grant Park and the redevelopment of the National Heroes Park. Over in the Market District, significant development is evident with the build-out of the Chapel Lane Market. The UDC took another step in partnering with Digicel and the Kingston and St. Andrew Corporation, the KSAC, to ensure electrical upgrades were completed on the reconstructed Coronation Market. The UDC sees downtown Kingston as the city of possibilities, the ideal location for work, home, leisure, cultural immersion, and entertainment.
Thank you, Lord, for what you've done for a woman like me.
UDC's Fireworks on the Waterfront is a fixed event that's being used by the UDC to promote family entertainment and stimulate an active nightlife in downtown Kingston. Adding to this is the construction of Festival Marketplace by the UDC, an eatery space catering to day and night patrons who will also benefit from the nearby craft market. And for a more in-depth cultural experience, there's the newly renovated Simon Bolivar Cultural Center in the heart of Parade, designed and built by the UDC. The center, managed by the Institute of Jamaica, complements other cultural facilities located in the Parade area, such as Liberty Hall, the restored headquarters of national hero, the Right Excellent Marcus Messiah Garvey. The Urban Development Corporation, demonstrating commitment to the redevelopment of downtown Kingston. To learn more about the work of the Urban Development Corporation, call 656-8031 or visit their website at udcja.com. You may also follow the UDC on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram, or visit their information center on the ground floor, Kingston Mall, downtown Kingston.